Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix
Marval Rivals.
game connection problem. Guys, first solution is go to your Windows search and just type here ncpa.cpl. Once you type this command, this control panel setting up here on the top, so just open it. And here you will see your Wi-Fi or your internet. So make a right click on your connection and go to its properties. And guys, here simply scroll down and you'll see the internet protocol version 6. Guys, just uncheck this box. This is very important. Once you uncheck it, then just look for the internet protocol version 4. Then just click on the properties. Then just click on the use following DNS addresses, and in the preferred DNS just type 8.a.a.8. and in the alternate just type 8.a.4.4. then just click on this option of OK. Guys, this is the best Google DNS server. Now click on the OK. Now just restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. This will fix your any kind of connection problem. Now if your problem is not fixed, then just check the server status. Now if it is down, then just wait for it to come back to the normal, then launch the game, then check. And guys, I hope this video helped you out, and if yes, please like this video, and bye bye and take care.